To start, click on Sign in with Google. When you log in, you'll be brought to your dashboard. Your dashboard is the hub of all the requests within your organization. Pending tasks have not been addressed. In progress are requests that have been looked at and being worked by your team. Completed have been fully addressed by your team. Let's take a look at this recently submitted pending request. We can see more details in the request: what building and room number it's in, the date it was submitted, who submitted it, as well as photos of the issue. The description should give more detail and context to the request. You can download the attached photos if necessary. You can see the timeline of the request, communications about the request, and manage administrative actions as we scroll down. You can add notes directly to the request in communications. We're going to update the status of this request to in progress. You can also assign a request to an individual on your maintenance team. If there are any internal notes that you would not want a requester to see, you can add them here too. If the request was made in error or is a duplicate request, you can cancel it here. When the request is complete, simply press Mark as complete. And if there is still work to be done, click on Save Changes to update the request. With this request updated, we're going to now look at all our organization's requests in Manage Requests. We can filter requests by their status from this page. Next, we will explore Room History, which filters requests by building and room. When you select a building, all of the requests that have been made there will populate. We're going to go cancel a duplicate ticket that was submitted in the upper school. We can see both tickets. One has been marked complete and the other is still pending. We'll click on the ticket that is still pending. Then scroll down to the bottom of the ticket to cancel. We can change it in the status, or simply click the red button labeled Cancel Request. Since we updated in the ticket, we have to click on Save Changes to cancel this request. We've now covered all you can do from your dashboard as a maintenance team member. Thank you for all that you do.